everyone. This is my live for Tuesday. I usually do this every Tuesday at 2 o'clock. I know I'm a little bit early today, but I've got some stuff to do this afternoon, so I decided to go ahead and come on live now. I've got some exciting things to share, and I've got a link to my website here down in the description, up in the description, wherever the description is. But today I've added tons of new things to my shop, and so I thought I would show you some little samples of some of the things that are there. I have been sharing pictures of these eggs that I've been painting. So they are original little pieces of artwork, and I released them to my collector's list last night, and then I posted about it, sent out an email this morning, and you guys are being so sweet and buying those eggs. So I've got a few left. I'll show you. Well, while I'm doing the video, this is what was left on the website. I don't know what is left now, but I had 11 different things posted, and I just have a few that are left. This one here, and these are pretty big. The floral ones are 4 inches, and the smaller ones are 3 inches. So there's this blue one with the pink flowers. You can see that. The cream one is still available on my website, and the green one. But all the others, I believe, are taken as far as the bigger ones. And these are all signed and dated and varnished. So that's what the glare is all about. There's a little bit of a glare there. So those 3 florals are left. The little swan is still available, and he's a smaller one, he or she. I've sold all of the little bunnies, so they are so cute. I just wanted to keep them myself, but I can paint myself another one. They're all taken, and the daffodil set is sold, but the little daisy set is still available. So this one is a set of 3, and it's still available on the website. So you can go to the link that's posted here, and those are the ones that should still be there. Also, I know there was a lot of talk about the little farmhouse with the laundry line that I painted a few weeks ago, and I finally got everything settled and set up, and I'm offering prints of those now. I'm using a company that is super, super good. And I'm really excited about showing you these samples. So I ordered, what I've got available on the website is 11 by 14s on paper. And then I've got bigger pieces on paper, which are, they're fine art prints. They are archivable, good quality, great, wonderful paper and ink. And so I've got those in 16 by 20 and also 24 by 36. And then I also have canvas prints available in those 2 larger sizes, the 16 by 20 and the 24 by 36. So I'm going to show you a sample of the 11 by 14 on paper. And look, there's a glare because of my light, but it looks like the original painting. It is so good. So this can be framed, and no one's going to know the difference. It's going to look just like the original painting. Let me move over here. And it's got my signature and everything. So that's the 11 by 14, and I'm going to show you the 16 by 20. I got a sample of it too, and it is just as good. It's got a little bit, it's almost like a satin. It's not really glossy, but it's a little bit glossy. And it is just as fabulous. You can see the color is great and the details are great. And so I've got this one available in all of those sizes now over on my website. That link is here in the description. That will take you to the eggs, to the prints, to anything that you want to see. But also, I'm going to be adding more prints. I just haven't, I haven't tested all of them yet. And I've got another one that is, I don't know if you remember seeing me share these birth month flowers that I was painting. Well, I have a poster now available. This is the 11 by 14 poster of all the birth month flowers. It's got the name and the month underneath. So this is the 11 by 14, and this one is the bigger size, which is the 16 by 20, and there's also a 24 by 36 canvas available in that one too. And I'm just super excited about these prints. In the past, I've offered my prints that I've created myself. I've offered prints that I've done through other companies. And they always have been a problem for me. Either the quality was not great when I would try to get it done through someone else, or the cost was really too much when I tried to do them myself. And that's just a lot of manual labor. But now I've got it sourced so that it's good quality. I trust and appreciate this company, and it's going to be great. So if you place an order on my website, you're going to get either high quality paper or a really good high quality canvas. And these are all fine art prints. Also, on the website today, I just loaded 12 new t-shirt designs, and they are all based on the birth month flowers too. So there will be like this design here on the t-shirt, and it's going to have a gold frame of some sort around it. Looks sort of like a geometric, I don't know. It almost looks like one of those little glass, well, what's it called? Little greenhouse things that you can buy and put your flowers in or whatever. So they turned out really cute too. And everything is in the link below. And I think that was all that I had for today's video. So head over and take a look. I've got t-shirts, a few eggs left, and new prints. And I'll see you back here next week around 2 o'clock on Tuesday. Bye.